morning students, welcome to Phonics Academia online class grade 6. We have to do unit number 1, introduction of a set. So students, this today lecture depend upon your revision 1. So all the students open your book page number 13 and also open your notebook. Student, you know that when you have write the members, it means that in a bracket you write members name. So today this lecture is upon how you write its members in a bracket and how you write the set builder form. So students, in a previous lecture you also be teach that how you write your members of this element and also now that how you are write the set builder notation. So according to the question number 1, they say that start the member of the following set. Write the member of the following set. The set in the statement is to be a given and they said that write its elements, its are members. So first question is A is equal to set of all number from 7 to 70. They say that write the members of the following set. The word statement is to be a given a set of all number from 7 say from 7 to 17. So according to the set A is equal to from 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. That's all number is a whole number. And to be start from 7 because there in a statement we give that start from 7 to 70. So from 7 to 70 all the odd number is to be write in the bracket. So set A is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. Then question number question number 2. B set is equal to the months of B with J. That's a month starting with J. Name, for example, that January start from J. They said that write the member that the month of starting with J. So according to this set, B is equal January, June and July. Because that these are three only months that we start from J. So according to this, they have a three members January, June and July. Question number 4. D is equal to set of a prime number less than B. Set of a prime number less than 13. So students, you know that what is a prime number? That's the numbers come on the table of 2 and its self table is known as a prime number. Or they said that write the less than 13 but not be said that which numbers to be start. So when here not be mentioned, you start from your first prime number. That's a 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. So there's a less than 13, so we have only write with 11. So 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 is a prime number less than 13 that is come on the table of 1 and its self table. So the question number 2, they say that rewrite the set. Rewrite the set is to be written and they said that rewrite the set. In which form? Set builder set notation. Set builder notation. So you have to write this set into a set builder notation. So first question is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. So students, you know that 4, 8, 12, 16 and there be a continue but every number have a 4 number different. So it means that there's the multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. There's the multiples of 4. So when you have write this set builder notation in which we have write this set into a word name. So when you have write x ratio x is a multiples of 4. When you have write, it means that you write with the sign of set builder notation, you write the statement in words. So it's the x ratio x is a multiples of 4. Then part B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. So students, you know that that's a number is to become only its set table and the table of 1 because that's not be write a 9. After have a 2 different, they are not write the 9. And you see there's only a 1 different 2 after 3. So you see that there's a number or those number which are only come its set table and the table of 2. Oh sorry, table of 1. So it's a prime number. So set builder notation is a set of prime